Hey friends, if you wish to fix mouse jumping issue in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Search for mouse and go to mouse settings. Scroll down and click on additional mouse settings. Go to pointer options and then there is an option here which says enhance pointer precision. Uncheck it, apply and then OK. This should solve the problem in most of the cases. If not, then right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab and install all updates from the right pane. This thing apart, another thing that you should do is to update Windows. So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the update tab, click on advanced options, optional updates and install all optional updates. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.